Now I'm going to show you my friend's dirt bike and my dirt bikes, because I have two dirt bikes and my friend has one. This is my friend's dirt bike. It's really cool. His chain actually started falling off and we found out that his chain wasn't right and he had to have a new one put on. So yeah, it's an XR Honda. It's 2000 and it's a really good bike. And this is my 70. It's a Suzuki automatic clutch. See, I put a sticker on there because there wasn't a lot of stuff on it. It's really fast. My dad put a new sprocket and chain on right there. And I got a two-stroke a couple weeks ago. And it is powerful. Look at this thing. It's a RM65. It's a really nice bike. And I'll show you my four-wheeler. It's a little dirty, so you might not like it, but I put some stickers on there. Just bump up the look of it. Saw a squirrel and it scared me. See, put stickers on it. Haven't rode it in a while. There's pollen all over it. And there's trails back there. It's real fun. And my friend is coming over all week next week, and we're gonna have a blast. There's like ruts down there that we do burnouts in. And one time this was so funny. I was going full speed, and then there was a big puddle, and then I sprayed my friend with water. Alright guys, that's the end of the video.